Finding truly unique gifts for men in 2025 can be a real headache, especially when you're aiming beyond the usual socks and ties. If you're tired of seeing the same old boring presents and want to genuinely surprise the dads, brothers, husbands, or boyfriends in your life, you've landed on the perfect video. We've scoured the market for the most unexpected, off-the-beaten-path gift ideas that will absolutely blow them away. Don't wait until the last minute. You can find links to buy all these incredible items in the description below. Number 1. The Ember Mug 2. Imagine a smart mug that keeps his coffee or tea at the exact perfect temperature all morning. It's a game changer he never knew he needed but won't be able to live without. Number 2. A WhistlePig 10-year rye whiskey gift set. Forget generic spirits. This is an unparalleled experience in sophisticated sipping that will elevate his home bar instantly and dramatically impress his connoisseur friends. Number 3. A Benchmade Bugout with custom engraving. More than just a tool, this personalized, ultra-light everyday carry knife combines rugged utility with sentimental value, making it a surprisingly thoughtful and lasting gift. Number 4. The Sony WH-1000XM5 noise-canceling headphones. Dive into a world of pure audio bliss. These aren't just headphones, they're an escape pod from daily noise, perfect for travel, focus, or just chilling out with incredible sound quality. Number 5. A Heat Hot Sauce Club subscription. For the man who thinks he's tried everything spicy, this monthly delivery of artisan, small-batch hot sauces promises an explosion of unexpected flavors and a thrilling culinary adventure year-round. These are the gifts that scream, "I put thought into this," and are guaranteed to make any guy feel incredibly special. Make 2025 the year of unforgettable gifting.